Good morning, YouTube. Today we are going to work on our busted ass police car again and see if we can't maybe get it running.
We have streets to patrol.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, this is Josh, and we are at the Stub. This is our dealership, and actually out there you can see we're getting one of our new good cars. It's being unloaded, but in the meantime we are going to wrench on this thing a little bit, or at least, I don't know, do some stuff. So if you didn't see the last video on this car, it is kind of screwed. Oh! Stop!
Oh, something's smoking.
Uh-oh.
It's not running. It has codes for camshaft position sensor on
Both sides.
banks.
Both banks, both
It turns
sensors.
over. It sounds like it's got compression, but it's just not turning on, or it's not getting fuel or
Yeah.
something.
I think it's getting fuel and spark because it did produce smoke
Okay.
when it popped off that thing, which scares me that maybe the cams are
It's either the cams are the timing chains or
computer.
I'm thinking it might be the PCM.
Yeah.
So when you're working on janky cars, this tool is a must. Everybody needs to buy one of these. What it does is it holds up the hood if your struts are blown out.
Of course this thing's struts are blown out. Yeah, so I'll hold it.
You just slide this thing on there, tighten it. And I love how they have this thing on here,
Yeah.
so you don't forget to take it off, because if you try to shut the hood, it'll bend this rod.
Oops.
I've done it before. We were gonna check the fuses and stuff.
Yeah.
Also, I discovered, so when we bought this thing, the lights worked, but the siren didn't work, and we
Yeah.
were kind of bummed about that. Well, I found this wire in here, and I traced it, and we found the siren, which is behind the grill. It's still there, and somebody had just cut the wires and like coiled this up and shoved it in there. So I'm hoping we can just solder those wires and we'll have a siren again.
Yes.
And an intercom and all that.
Yes, we need that.
So
Yeah, so we're gonna check some fuses. The nice thing is that good old American cars tells you what all the fuses are right here, and all the relays and everything.
oh geez.
That
The
is
fuse just literally fell apart.
Well, I'll go grab a new one. Well, there was one missing fuse, so we replaced that. We could try starting it again.
I'm not.
Ooh. Oh. I hear that. I'm not very confident that that's it,
No.
because the cam position sensors, I think
I'll
are...
give it one try.
Okay. Nope. Nope.
It's almost like it's trying.
Sort of, yeah. Oh shit. Let's see, just, oh, look at,
These just pop off.
there you go.
Yep. We probably want to undo these. Looks like some are already missing.
Yeah.
So we can pull that back a little. So that looks like what? Like a
That's 13?
13 or something?
Where's the wire?
It's right. It's hanging there. Behind the speaker.
Oh yeah, I see it down there.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot, that's kind of down there.
It's kind of fun working on a car that you're just like, man.
Don't care
You
about.
can just kind of.
Do stuff like this.
This is heavy.
Oh my god, it's a
really-
big.
Oh,
Oh, the
the
speaker's bolted to it.
Oh shit. Well, there's our culprit wires right there.
Well, dude, I can just go get the heat gun and do those
Yeah.
little things. Okay.
Yeah.
Jinx with the wires real quick to test it, and yeah. Does it have a volume? Volume doesn't. Hold on, do this. Does that work?
Hello. Please pull over. You are under arrest.
Oh, this is the best thing ever. Well, we are satisfied, so I guess
So
we're
funny.
gonna wire it. By the way, that is so loud. It's hard to describe
And that
how loud it
speaker
is.
probably weighs like 10 pounds.
Yeah,
it's really
it's
heavy.
legit. All right, well, we're gonna solder these puppies together. All right, so I'm pulling the codes in this thing, and I just noticed the dome light. All right, you turn it one way, you got a nice little LED. Check it out, stealth mode. It's red. So I ran the codes, and there's all of them. It's got every single code that's possible, just all of them. So let's just clear. All right, we cleared all the codes. Some came back, but nothing from the engine. plugged everything back in, just checked all the wires. I don't think we're gonna have any luck, but we'll give it a shot.
Press it to stop it.
Okay, well, we'll see what came back. Oh, check, flashing check engine. We got the flashy check engine, that's always good. All right, looks like we got the camshaft position sensor still. Now we got intake air temperature sensor circuit high. That was because we disconnected it. That was what that one plug is.
Those are all in the PCM. Yep.
Yeah.
So I bet it's a bad PCM.
All right, YouTube, so we got new cam position sensors and spark plugs because I checked one spark plug and they're gnarly. Well, it turns out to change the plugs, you have to pull the intake.
Doesn't look too hard, but
No,
still,
I think it's just those
like,
bolts.
Damn it. Why do they do that?
Yeah, that's stupid.
Yeah, I'd like to introduce you to our smorgasbord of spark plugs.
Yes.
We have 3 champions, and check those out.
Yeah, that
This
is-
one has no, the electrode's almost gone, and this part is like, so it's,
Yeah.
they're sad. Like, look, you can tell the difference between the top part of the, look how thin it is on this one here.
Yeah. Well, and it's already it's
like-
curving.
Yeah, so we have the 2 NGKs, 3 champions. So the 3 champions were on the side where the intake had to come off. So somebody changed 3 plugs, but was like, oh, we have 1 Bosch and we have 2 NGKs. So we'll go ahead and do those.
And here's what the cam position sensor looks like. It's got a slight bit of gunk
A
on
little
it.
bit of sludge on there.
Yeah. So yeah, we got the intake off, got those plugs out. We got to put in the new plugs. Oh, this ignition coil was not connected at all, so that may have had something to do with it also not starting. So we got a lot of stuff going on. There's like 10 things going on at once. All right, just kind of bolting it all back together. Cross your fingers, YouTube. We might actually have this puppy running. I don't know. I get a 50-50 chance.
I think that's optimistic. I think it's like a 25% chance.
Oh, okay. All right, we're gonna clear the codes before we crank it, just in case, because sometimes they won't start when it's got codes like that. So might as well clear everything.
Yeah, we're gonna start fresh.
Come on, baby. No whammies.
Let's go! Big bucks, no whammies! Stop! Somebody doesn't like me today.
Want me to do some pullovers tonight?
I want to do a burnout. I want to just drive it through the grass right here.
Let's do a donut.
Yeah.
If this thing works, we gotta get a push bar.
Oh, we're definitely doing that.
Yeah,
We
it needs a
have
push
to.
bar. And we gotta fix the rear light still. Shit, we still got that to do.
That's easy.
Yeah, some wiring somewhere.
They look like they might have moisture in them, so.
Okay, that's what I had before.
All right.
Time to crank it. Dang. You think it's PCM or a
That's
wire?
what I read online.
It's the actual PCM crashed.
A lot of people have a problem with it.
Okay. Son of a bitch. Junkyard?
I'll have to do some research. I think it has to be coated, so there was like $250 for a coated PCM. Yeah, it still has the camshaft.
All right. Well, I guess we send it out.
And we know it's not an actual physical problem because it says circuit.
yeah.
So it's wiring. We know it's not the sensors now. It's wiring or the PCM. I think it's the PCM.
All right. Well, that's next guess, right?
Yeah. Bummer.
Dang. Boo.
That's okay. We got fresh plugs in it now.
Yeah, it's gonna run like a champ. Oh my god. This is the best thing ever.
You probably hate us right now.
Oh, the light thing's on the takedown mode. There it is. Well, crap, YouTube. We gave it a shot. I guess we're gonna order a PCM and get that out here, but that's gonna do it for this video. So like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching. We'll see if we can't get this dumb thing fixed. We'll see you in the next video. We're gonna do a lot of cool car stuff. We'll be out in the Nefarious Patrol. Looks sweet.